Hi guys, we're now on to the fourth in the series of locating the gents drinking clubs in Pattaya. So we're starting off again, same place, just the one time, down at Bukawan, Linky and Diana. We're going up Linky and we're turning right onto Third Road, and we're going to go all the way to Jomtien. So when we get there, we won't come back here. I'll go to the different places from a location in Jomtien at the traffic lights there. I'll show you where it is. We just do this one time. So we go down here across South Pattaya Road and then down Third Road. When you get to the flyover, we bear left. The flyover, incidentally, we don't know where it goes. If you go up over that flyover there to the right, it'll take you up to Bali High Pier and the big red sign for Pattaya, and it goes past the go-kart track as well. So we're turning left here. We're going to go up to Prior Road, which takes you right up to the top of the hill where it joins with the Pratumnak Buddha Road hill. Buddha Road, rather. So we'll pass over through here, we'll go to the top, and then from there, from the traffic lights at the top of the hill there, if you went to the right like we did before, that would take you down to Pratumnak. Instead, we're going to go straight on. We come down the hill, and then the first main traffic lights we come to is Teprasit Road. Now this is Teprasit Road. If you look to the left there, that down there, it'll take you to Sukhumvit Road if you go all the way down. It's quite a long road, but you go a lot, maybe a mile down, a mile and a half down, and on the right hand side is Teprasit Night Market. If you wondered where it was, that's where it is. So we're going to come down here to the traffic lights at the bottom. This is where Teprasit Road changes into Jomtien Second Road, and you turn right to go down to the seafront, to the promenade out. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go left to Passion. We're going to go right to Kitkat and Seahorse. Then we'll come back to this junction and we'll go straight across, go right the way down Second Road, it's Jomtien Second Road, to Blush. Okay, that's the plan. So this is a very potholed, bumpy road. They've just filled it in with some gravel recently by the look of it, but it leads down to Passion. Okay. Now the prices at Passion are average gent clubs prices. A beer is 110 baht, lady drink is 130 or 135, can't remember which. But it's not expensive, really. It's worth the trip. Definitely worth the trip, Passion. If you have a motorbike or you have a vehicle of some sort, it's worth coming. It's owned by an Australian guy called Brian and run by an English guy called Jason. A couple of really good guys, and everybody there is very friendly. So we go right to the very, very end. There's a barrier across the road there. You see that barrier in front? You turn right before the barrier, and then you drop down. It's the very last row of houses. You see on the left side you've just got open trees and open fields rather. So this is it, the very last one on the right. And this is the morning, so there's nobody there, and it's not actually open yet. And it has a swimming pool as well. It's a big villa, quite nice inside. and they do have pool parties, and they have barbecues, and they have food, roast pig and what have you on the weekends. So it's a good place. Now we're going to go back down this dirt track, and when we get to the end we'll come back to those traffic lights which we were at before. So I'll just do a little detour to go around, and then instead of going straight across I'll sort of go right and left to get around the traffic lights, and then we'll go straight across down. It's still it's Pattaya Road because it bends to the right as it goes down to the sea, and we'll go down there to find Kitkat, okay, which is the next one we're going to go look at. That building on the right, you see that condo block on the right? That's been abandoned for a long time. Somebody lost a lot of money there. You can see all the fencing's rusted. Somebody lost a fortune, I'm sure of that. So you see in front the traffic. That's Pattaya Road. So I won't go straight across. We'll just go to the right, slot into the traffic lane, and then we'll go across. Then we'll effectively turn right and go down to Pattaya Road. This is going down to the sea, down to the promenade at Jomtien. You see the yellow sign there saying Kitkat? We'll just park the bike here outside these bars, and I'll just walk down the alley and show you where it is. So there's Kitkat, Gentleman's Kitkat Lounge Club. They've actually called it. Same thing, just a different name. Prices are similar to Passion, about 110 baht for a beer and 135ish for a lady drink. Right, so we're going to continue down toward the sea, just to go down. And then, as you know, probably if you know the area, the road turns to the left as you get down here, and this is really the beginning of the main Jomtien seafront road. So we just continue down here until we get to road 3 on the left side, of course. Nothing on the right side, and that will then take us to the Seahorse Club. You can see the blue and white street sign there, street number sign. So we come up here just a short way. There on the corner, that white building, that is Seahorse Gents Club. There you go. So we're going to jump back to the traffic lights where we came across from Passion, and we're going to go straight down Second Road. Now I'm going to fast forward down here because it's about a couple of miles maybe, so we'll whiz right down here quickly, and we come to the next set of traffic lights where we turn left, and then there's a little bit of a left right on the back roads to get to the next place, which is Blush. And if you want to consider how places look, I would say the look of Blush is probably the best of every gentleman's club in the whole of Pattaya and Jomtien and everywhere. It looks very impressive from the outside. It's a huge privately owned villa, and it's beautiful. Inside it just got full of TVs and bars and everything inside. Very nice place indeed. It didn't used to be quite as good as it is now, but it was taken over about a year ago or so by a different management, and they put a lot of money into it and changed everything, and it's very, very nice now inside. So it's worth hanging in there with me just for a couple of more minutes until we get there, just so you see what it's like. And again, prices are similar, about 110 baht for a beer, and it's 135 for a lady drink. So similar prices again. We just bear left here, and then if you can see in the distance there's a sort of pinky beige coloured condo block. We turn right just before that, and that will take you down to Blush. For those of you who may have been before, it used to be called Rioja, as in the wine. It used to be called Rioja, but it's when it was taken over, as I said, a year or more ago, they changed the name to Blush. Hang in there, it's just coming up on the right. Worth the wait. Wait till you see it. That's it, on the right, the white and gold. You see? That's fairly impressive looking, I think. Right, so anyway, if you like the video, please like and subscribe and share and ring the bell and everything. And I shall see you on the next video, and thank you very much for your time, for watching. Thanks a lot.